डॉक्टर मज़हर जो हैं उनका मुझे अच्छी बात ये लगी है कि वो चीज़ों की कोर तक जाने की कोशिश करते हैं, ना कि आप बस इफ somebody saying कि hey I have this hair fall issue तो अच्छा जी आ जाइए और आपका ये हो जाएगा और वो जाएगा. No, he wants to get certain tests done. He wants to see what the reason is. He wants to see if there is any kind of deficiency जो कि उसको हम ठीक करें, पहले उसको एड्रेस करें, उसको dispose करें, and then we can take it from there to another level, which is amazing. This was my first session, and I also got my HydraFacial, which was amazing. And उसके भी results जो हैं वो slowly and gradually आएंगे, एकदम से नहीं आ सकते हैं. But overall the experience, it was really, really nice, and I had a lot of fun. The team is brilliant, they're efficient, they know exactly what they're doing, and I'm looking forward to have more sessions with Doctor and his team. Thank you very much. God bless.